Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Vinyl Nation, and I'm making a video on a giveaway for a silhouette. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. So I bought this silhouette about, let me see, what was it? Back in August, I believe. And I made a video. I said I was going to give it by Christmas, but I didn't say which Christmas, right? So anyways, I am so sorry, guys. I was super busy. I couldn't do the giveaway before Christmas, but this video is for that. So I can give this away. I've used it twice, so you guys are practically getting a brand new silhouette. All you gotta do is write a comment below. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me, or if you're not following me on Instagram, LGD2016, I believe that's the name, I think. If not, you'll find the description or a link in the description below to follow me on Instagram if you're not following me yet. If you don't do Instagram, then you don't have to follow me, but it'd be great if you follow me on Instagram. Well, this channel is going to be just for that, for giveaways, you know, and teaching you a little bit about vinyl. Maybe I'll even learn something about vinyl, but that's exactly it. So let's say, for example, so let's set the rules for this giveaway for a Cameo 3. Not a Cameo 4, Cameo 3. Count it, 1, 2, 3, okay? All you got to do is write a comment below telling me why do you deserve to get a Cameo 3. Now, if you already have a Cameo 3 or a Cameo or a platter and you don't need one, well, you can enter. I don't care. I mean, you can enter. I'm not going to go to your house and check and see if you already have one. But if you already have one and you don't need a second one, then let somebody else enter the drawing. So, en español, si tú quieres ganarte una Cameo 3, lo único que tienes que hacer es poner un comentario aquí abajito diciéndome por qué razón tú necesitas tener una Cameo 3. Es todo lo que tienes que hacer, y también seguirme en Instagram. Vas a mirar un link en la descripción aquí abajo para que me sigas en Instagram. Si no tienes Instagram, no te preocupes, no tienes que seguirme. Pero sería muy bueno si me siguieras. También comparte este video para que más personas lo miren. Ahora, la razón por que digo que lo compartas es porque entre más crezca entre más crezca este canal, obviamente compañías van a estar mirando, mandándonos cosas para mandártelas a ti. So, eso es lo que tenemos pensado para este canal. So, with that being said, guys, I know you understood everything I said. I only know how to speak 2 languages. Well, halfway. But yeah, with that being said, guys, make sure you well, I guess if you're watching me, you're already subscribed, right? But if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to be nothing but giveaways. I'm going to be wasting a lot of money. Spending a lot of money. Anyways, so make sure you share this channel. Make sure you share the channel. Make sure you share this video so this channel can grow. And if it grows, you know, companies are going to be looking at this channel, sending us stuff so we can do giveaways for you guys. It's a pleasure making videos like this for you guys. I hate it when I have to go to the post office and ship stuff, because I have to pay out of my pocket. Oh yeah, that brings me to the catch of this giveaway. If you do enter in this giveaway for this Cameo 3 and you're the lucky winner, you're going to have to pick up the shipping on this bad boy. It's not that much. It's going to be a lot cheaper than buying the box. Or buying not the box, buying the Cameo. Yeah, so shipping, I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere into 30 to 35 bucks at the most. I think it's pretty fair for you to pick up the shipping. Let me say that en español. So, el que gane esta Cameo 3 va a tener que pagar el manejo y envío. No, manejo no. Nomás el envío. Van a tener que pagar el envío. So, si tú quieres entrarle a este y ganas, me vas a tener que mandar $30 para mandarte esto. O lo que sea que cueste para mandártelo. Eso es lo único. Yo pienso que es bueno. Sabes que tú pagues el envío nada más de esta. Porque yo estoy, como decía mi mamá, hasta aquí de pagar tanto envío. So, guys, make sure you share this video. Man, I've been talking a lot. I should get paid for this. Maybe one day. But make sure you share this video. And if you want to enter for this Cameo, remember, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, don't worry. You don't have to follow me. I don't care. It doesn't hurt. Only a little bit. But I'll get over it. But do please, write a comment below telling me why you need this Cameo. Because I'm not going to send it to somebody that don't need it. If you don't need it, you're not going to get it. So, thank you guys. I already said way too much. This video was supposed to be like 30 seconds long. Now it's going to be like 30 minutes long. And here I am still talking. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for supporting everything that I do. And I do a lot of talking. Thank you for supporting me on that too. So guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And ding the bell so you're notified when I do more videos like this. Especially when I do giveaways. Because in the future, you will get some gear. You will get hats. You will get shirts. You will get jackets. You will get windbreakers. You will get a lot of stuff. Even socks. Socks? Maybe not socks. Definitely not underwear. But I will see you later, guys, because it's late. I want to go to sleep. And I don't stop talking. I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.